this video will go over switch statements, which are basically just a variation of if statements, just something to control the flow of your program. So let's say we have some determining variable. Let's say starts at 0. Now let's say there's many options for this determining variable, to the point where it would kind of be annoying to write out all the different if statements, like if-else statements. This is where switch statements come in. Hello. So put your variable that determines the switch statement, and then it will see what the variable is and then find the according case. So let's say break case. So what this is doing is it's taking a variable that you give it, the switch statement, and it's finding which case is equal to that variable. So since this is 0, it's finding the case 0 and then logging output. Then you're breaking it. So that means you just tell it to stop going. If you didn't break it, boom. It would break. You can even do this. So why would you want to use this over an if statement? Well, one, it's a lot easier if you want to add like a whole bunch of cases. Like you want to do case 2, case 3, 4. It's a lot easier. If you wanted to do this with if statements, you would need to do something like triple equals 0. 1. And then you just keep typing. It's less boilerplate that you have to type. I mean, you might still prefer if statements, but I mean, yeah, I think if you have to type out a lot of if statements, it could be easier to type a switch statement, but I mean, for you, maybe you would rather write it like this than like this. They do the same thing at the end of the day. Like, I think this looks harder to read than this. I guess you could space it out, but I think this looks better. I mean, I wouldn't use this switch statements if you have like 2 cases. If you have like 10 cases, this could be really quick. So yeah, I mean, it's just another way to modify the control flow of a JavaScript program, or really any program that has, or programming language that has this switch statements. But yeah, I mean, when in doubt, you should probably just use an if statement, but I mean, you know, if it's getting tedious, maybe consider using a switch statement. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.